Do you want to learn English but don't know where to start? Hey everyone, this is Naurin and welcome back to a new session of English with me. I know I haven't posted any videos for some days because I was not well. I couldn't make any videos. So now I'm back and let's talk about learning English. How to start your English learning journey. I know it sometimes gets difficult. At some point you will be standing idle. You don't know what to do, where to start, how to start, who will help you. You will have a lot of questions when you start your English learning journey. Maybe you don't have a teacher or no one around you speaks English. Don't worry, in this video, I'll tell you how to learn English anywhere, anytime, without needing a language partner. If you follow these steps, your English will improve faster than you think. And don't forget to watch this video till the end, because by the end of this video, I will give you that push, that encouraging sentence, a simple technique that can help you start practicing English today itself. The first step is to change your daily environment to English. If you surround yourself with English, you will learn naturally. You don't need any outside pressure to learn English. You will pick up English naturally, like the kids learn their first language. A baby learns its first language from the surroundings. Babies learn from what they hear and they see. Same like that, you can develop your English if you surround yourself with English. So now you know you need to surround yourself with English. But how? How can you do that? How can you change your surroundings into English? The first step is to change your phone settings to English. I know some people who still have every setting in their phone in native language. That each and every word, the sentences, paragraph, everything pops up in their native language. So if you are one of them, change your phone settings to English. This forces you to read English daily. You're forced to read English because you don't see any other language on your screen. So you will have to learn what it means. You will have to pick up English if you change your phone setting to English. The second step is to think in English. Start by describing your actions in English. Instead of thinking, "Aaj bahut garmi hai," or "Innu bhayangara choodana." Instead of these sentences in your native languages, try to think that in English. Like, "Today it's very hot." Start thinking in English. The next step is to surround yourself with English content. Watch YouTube English videos, follow English Instagram pages. I'll do one thing, I'll pin my Instagram page down here so that you can follow that and you can read English content that I post. Also try to listen to English songs. Like that, surround yourself with English. And I'll give you one tip. Every time you open your phone, you take out your phone to scroll through the Instagram reels or to watch any YouTube video. Just before that, read something in English. Just read any random topic, anything in English, and then switch to your usual content. The second step to improve your English alone without any help is to speak every day, even if you are alone. The best way to improve speaking is by speaking. If you don't practice, you won't improve. Now, I get a lot of comments. People say, "Why do you teach English in English? How can someone understand English? If they want to learn English, how will they know what you're saying?" I know even you have this doubt. Like, how can you learn English in English? I'll give you a simple example. Do you learn swimming by just sitting on your couch and reading a manual? No, right? You learn swimming only by going into the water. If you want to learn swimming, come on, give her a book. That is not what we say. We say if you want to learn swimming, you need to get into the water. You should learn swimming in water. You cannot learn it on the land. Same applies in your English learning. If you want to learn English, you need to dive into English. You need to listen to English. I know this will be a little hard. When you listen to English the first time, it will be difficult for you to understand. But when you listen to English in English, when you are searching for a video that helps you learn English and you listen to that in English, you are actually compelled, you are pushed to listen to English and to understand English. Right? When you're listening to this video, you are being pushed, you are being compelled to listen to this in English and to understand this in English. And this will help you improve your English a lot. You might not know your improvements, but you will be improving just by listening to this video. Surrounding yourself with English content can help you improve your English. So keep this in mind. If you want to improve in English, you need to dive into English. Now coming back to the speaking part. So if you want to improve your speaking skills, if you want to improve speaking in English, you need to actually speak. You need to speak out loud. Speak whatever you can. The first thing you need to do is to talk to yourself in English. Describe what are you doing, what you see, or what you are thinking in English. Next, use a mirror. Stand in front of a mirror and introduce yourself in English. Or you can choose any random topic and talk about that topic. Talk about your family, your friends, your achievements, or what you want to do in future. Talk about any random topic. Also, you can record your voice. Record your voice for 1 minute. Record what you're speaking and then listen to it. Listen back and find out where you're going wrong, where you need improvements. Try to find out where you need improvements. Is it pronunciation or the grammar part or the sentence structure? Find it out and try to improve that part. You can practice English by looking around you and saying about what you see. Like, there is a book on the table. I am going to drink a cup of tea. You can also talk about your daily routine for 1 minute. Example, I woke up at 7 a.m. I brushed my teeth, I took a bath, and then I went to the kitchen, had some breakfast, I prepared the lunch, and then I left for my office. Talk about your daily routine for 1 minute. Try to practice any of these activities or exercises and see your improvements in English. The next step is listen and copy, the shadowing technique. Listening is one of the best way to improve your pronunciation and to understand the sentence structure naturally. Watch English movies, TV shows, or any YouTube video and just listen to a sentence first, pause, and then repeat it exactly like the speaker. Try to imitate the speaker. Try to follow the intonation, the pronunciation, the rhythm in English. Try to watch any TV show or movie that you're interested in and try to do this shadowing technique at least for 5 minutes. Do this for 5 minutes daily and see the difference in 1 week. The next step is to read and write every day. Reading helps you improve your vocabulary and also the sentence structure naturally. Writing helps you practice what you learn. Read simple books, articles, magazines, or whatever you are interested in. If needed, you can start with children's book. Write short messages in English daily. A diary, a social media post, or even WhatsApp messages. Summarize what you read. This helps improve both your reading and writing skills. You can practice reading and writing together. I'll give you a practice exercise. Just read a short paragraph and then summarize it in your own words. Let's practice writing now. Just pause this video and write 3 sentences about your day in the comments below. The 5th step is to learn phrases, not just words. I know many people might make this mistake. You will know a lot of new words, but the important thing is to know how to use them in real sentences. Memorizing words is not enough. You need to know how to use them in real sentences. How? How can you do that? Learn useful sentences patterns instead of single words. For example, instead of memorizing excited, just learn a sentence out of that word. Learn, I'm excited about my trip. So you're learning a new word, excited. Also, you're learning how to use it in a sentence. So it will be easy for you to use that word, excited, in your daily conversations. Use common phrases daily. Instead of just saying, give me water, say, can I get some water please? Try to practice speaking full sentences. Now the sixth step, the most important one. And I always repeat this in my earlier videos, and that is be consistent. Make it a daily habit. Small daily practice is more effective than studying for hours once a week. Set 10 to 15 minutes daily practice routine. Just like brushing your teeth, bathing, eating, you can make learning English a part of your daily routine. Just make a 7-day challenge for yourself. Speak, listen, read and write every day. Track your progress. Record yourself on day 1 and then record on day 30. See the difference and then enjoy yourself. You'll be proud of yourself to see the difference on day 1 and day 30. I'll give you a simple routine. Morning, think in English. Just think about your morning routine. Afternoon, listen to a 5 minutes video in English. Maybe you don't have enough time to practice your English in the afternoon. Just listen to English for 5 minutes. Evening, speak about your day for 1 minute in English. And at night, if you don't have enough time, if you're very tired, just write a single sentence about your day in English. This is how you can create a little routine for yourself in English to improve your English. So I know we all need that push to start learning, right? So let me give you that push. Let me help you start learning English today, now itself. Comment down this single sentence. You should all comment down this single sentence that can help you stay motivated and to start practicing English today itself. To give you that push, just comment this sentence below. I will practice English every day for the next 7 days. Say it out loud with me. I will practice English every day for the next 7 days. Wow, that gave you that energy to start practicing English, right? You don't need a classroom or language partner to practice English. You can practice English all by yourself. Start today, follow these steps, and you will see big improvements in just a few weeks. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.